I have to preface this video by saying that it is now like April 26th, and I filmed this back in February around this time before I went to Florida, so it was about now. But I have been so late to editing, and it's funny because I was talking with my friend, and the friend that's in the video, who also has a YouTube channel, which I'll have to put down below. But I had been saying that I was going to get this video done. I mean, there's a couple different things, such as my hair. So I will be posting this video, and just, you know, it's a while back. It's funny because currently today it's like 65, and when I was filming this there was like a snowstorm that wasn't even that bad. But anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Oh my goodness, I have not posted a video in a very long time, but here I am again with my little puppy Moose. So I live in South Dakota, and there is supposed to be a terrible blizzard rolling through, and it's actually kind of just started. We've gotten about like half an inch of snow already in the morning. It is only like noon. I don't know, I don't have my watch. My friend Amber and I have decided to go and do something, so I'm gonna go pick her up. Just gonna get ready and head out in a moment. Hopefully my fiance and I are going to go to Miami in a couple of days. That's weather permitting. It's looking like it's gonna get pretty terrible. I was hearing about 11 inches of snow, which is quite a few, and could make it impossible to get all the way up to Minneapolis from where I'm at, which is a 4-hour drive, and so we'll see. But I need to grab my little piggy bank that I have been saving money in. My fiance actually really hates it. He thinks it's creepy. I'm actually not seeing where it is. Oh, no, found it. He hid it away. I just have some super random things in here. I actually got this piggy bank when I was like 10 years old or so. My mother made me this. She painted it. I actually put fingernail polish on there, and it's supposed to be a K. So I'm gonna go get the money out of it, and then that will just be like some spending money while we're in Miami. So I am going to make myself some matcha and then head out and grab my friend Amber.
You should watch it. It's very...
Alright, in the car, and now on my way to get Amber. Hi there! Oh my gosh, I had to explain this. This is my friend Amber.
What the hell is that?
So I've had the same reaction to this.
But you bought it.
No! I was given this
Oh.
by my mother when I was like 10 years old.
Oh.
And
Okay, so it has meaning. It's not
has
just
meaning. It
you
was
found it at an antique
significant.
store, you thought it looked
No.
good.
No, but I need to go to the bank to cash it out. So that's what we're doing.
Okay.
Dead.
She's so heavy.
All right, so we're gonna do that.
We have arrived. I'm so excited for what they're gonna say.
Okay, we're at Chase. We're gonna go do this, see what they say about my amazing little piggy bank, and then see how much money I get.
Do you have a Chase account?
I do.
Is it just change?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, yeah, should be.
So we don't really have a coin counter.
Okay. They didn't take my piggy bank. We're gonna go to a different bank, and we're gonna see. We're gonna have vlogging cameras.
No,
I don't even understand
seriously,
it.
I've done that before too, where I just film on my phone. But then it's so annoying because I run out of storage so quick.
On your phone?
Mm-hmm. Well, I have like over like 2,000 pictures and videos on my phone.
I have 6,000.
Holy shit, what kind of... How many gigs do you got?
Oh, I pay for iCloud storage.
We just visited my friend.
Yeah, because my stupid bank won't take money. And now she gets to go back there, 99.
What do you want to do first?
I don't know.
Best Buy or food? What do you need at Best Buy?
Let's go to Best Buy. I have to, yeah, I have to get that. So, I mean, I got this little stand a very long time ago, and in my other car, I purchased it on Amazon, but it's like a flat little thing that's glued on there.
It doesn't suction like it should.
Yeah, with all the little crevices and stuff, it won't suction. So, you know what? We're gonna go to Best Buy. We're gonna go try and find that. That way I can put the camera up there.
So, we are on our way to Target.
We went to Best Buy.
They didn't have what we needed.
Unsuccessful. Chase was a no-go, and then Best Buy, but you did grab some cords.
I got lightning charging cords because mine literally were shot. It said something about like liquid leaking when I tried to charge my phone. Would not let me charge my phone. It's like, liquid something, I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
It was like scary, so I just threw out my charger.
I'm so bad at that though, because like I'll literally use, and it's like unsafe is what Seth is telling me, but like cords that have been like broken off.
That's what it was.
Wires
It was hanging on by like a thread.
So bad.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Target and figure out what we're doing.
Yeah, I need food.
Sorry about it too. These ones?
Mm-hmm.
How much is this one?
And this stretches out.
$13. I feel like a marshmallow. All right, so we got done with Target. We got a few things. She just dropped her off a little bit ago, and I just got home. So I'm gonna head inside. It started snowing a little bit more. By the time we got done, it was kind of stopped when I left, and now it's going. We'll see where the storm takes us, but it's 4 o'clock right now. We're actually almost 5 o'clock. And so I don't have anything else planned. I hope to get some schoolwork done, and then I'm not sure from there.
By the time 4
Alright, so it's now Thursday. I really didn't get any videoing done yesterday except for a couple of things that I was cleaning the kitchen, as you saw, and then I did a little bit of packing my bag. We discussed whether we're going up or not, and I think the consensus was that we'll try. If the flight doesn't work out, then it doesn't. We'll just spend some time up in the cities. So I have to finish up my packing for that. I'm gonna pack an extra bag in case we get stranded in the cities. I feel like I'm forgetting a lot, but right now I'm just eating breakfast. So I'm just having a cinnamon roll. And I'm trying to finish up all the food that's in the fridge. I only have a couple more things that I have to worry about. The blueberries and strawberries that you saw, those were obviously, I'm getting rid of them before we leave. They were at the end of their life before I even started filming this video, so they needed to be used up. So I'm going to eat breakfast. I hope to have a productive day. Fingers crossed. It's kind of hard, especially when it's snowing, and I mean, it looks pretty nice out today, so hopefully it'll be a good day. And the sun's out, so that's always a good thing. Also, Peep, those were my birthday presents. Hank and Moose, my fiance had hired a artist to draw them, and then he cropped it onto that little picture and then got the frame for it, so I thought that was super cute. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna finish this up. Maybe I also had to send out some emails and do some adulty things, so. This is the last of this video. We're packing up, getting the dogs all ready, and then heading out. It is so cold outside. That wind is killer. Everything's kind of a disaster, but we're gonna do that. We have to run to Shields River to grab a couple of things, and that's it. So thank you very much for joining me on this video. It was very short and chaotic and whatever is going on back there. Thank you.